Okay guys, everyone wanted a professional footer with trust badges, multi-currency support, and full editorial control all in one place. Building this level of detail from scratch would take forever. Well, this section handles absolutely everything for you. Today, we're adding this footer section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. And honestly, this one's packed with settings. First, let's start with the heading. There's a layout style option with 3 different layouts to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Now let's move on to the trust bar. Toggle on Show Trust Bar, then add text to Trust Item 1, Trust Item 2, and Trust Item 3. Below that, you can update the trust bar background color, text color, and border divider color too. Next up is typography. Toggle on Use Custom Font, and you can customize all the font sizes and colors from there. Now let's add a logo, along with adjusting its width, and you can add logo text too. Right below that, in the Layout 3 editorial settings, add a display heading text. There's honestly so much here. Then in language and currency dropdowns, add a language button label and a currency button label, and you can change the dropdown colors as well. Below that, toggle on Show Payment Icons if you'd like to display them, and add your copyright text along with the copyright font and color. Now, in section colors, update the footer background color and footer border color. There's also section padding, section margin, and other section settings you can adjust based on your own preference. Lastly, in the navigation column, add your menu pages. I'm adding these based on my own store, but you can customize this exactly how you'd like. Honestly, every single setting here is fully in your control. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.